Are you guys still using the old technology jacket filling machine in which you face problem of fiber lumping, clogging or filling nozzle in between jacket filling process? Worry no more, because Multipro is here to resolve all these problems by introducing Smart Jacket Filling Machine for the first time in the world with a new generation technology. In the old technology or type of machines, fiber gets lumped after 5 minutes of usage, which decreases the jacket quality even if you're using good quality and expensive fiber. Hence, we have introduced revolutionary anti-lumping technology, which reduces the fiber lumping to a great extent to preserve your product quality. Another problem with the current technology machines is that it will clog the long cut length fiber, especially more than 32mm in the nozzle during process. Hence, you have to clean the nozzle after every 2 minutes, which is a tedious job and reduces the manpower efficiency. We are here to offer solutions by introducing anti-clogging technology, which automatically declogs the fiber from the nozzle so you can get a hassle-free and smooth production process.
Launching now Multipro's groundbreaking innovation for jacket filling. Introducing, for the very first time in the market, the revolutionary FeedSync technology. This intelligent system automatically stops and resumes fiber feeding based on the chamber's fill level. Say goodbye to manual start-stop operation.
Nowadays, we are living in a digital era, and hence, the machines in your factory should also be upgraded with the latest technology, right? We are here to introduce a Smart Link technology, which facilitates you to operate the machine from the mobile app from anywhere across the globe. Moreover, the app also helps to generate many different reports to regulate the production and calculate manpower efficiency from the mobile app. Another benefit is that the production manager can effectively manage manpower and production from his desk. With all this, you are getting 1-year warranty, 24/7 international after-sales support, and worldwide logistics coverage of Multipro. Multipro is now exporting machineries in more than 60+ countries worldwide. So, are you ready to upgrade with the new generation? If yes, then call us on +91 720 202 1999 or email us on sales@multipromachines.com. You can also visit our website www.multipromachines.com.